Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm going to show you a Nardini engine lathe here today. It's equipped with several nice features. It's got a nice large through-jaw chuck on it with hard reversible jaws. It's got an Loris quick change tool post with extra holders with it, and also has a live center. It's a gap bed machine, and it also has a 3-axis DRO on it. There's a compound, cross slide, and travel saddle. This is the feed lever here. You gauge it which direction you want it to go. If you want it to cross feed, you just push in on it. If you want it to feed to the left, you push it this way. And it's rapid on top. This is the spindle control, forward, reverse, emergency stop. It's got a thread dial on it. I'll start the machine here for you. Main spindle start. Motor starts over here. Got a couple second time delay on the spindle start to allow for lubrication of the head. So forward. Saddle's feeding that direction. Rapid it. Higher spindle speed, range. Higher range. Showing it a couple different speeds. Nice running machine. What else? It's got inch measured threading on it. Comes with some change gears on it. New Wentworth threading in it. It's got a large, nice Thru Hole on the machine. 4 3/4, something like that. I don't know what else to say about it. Comes spindle mode bushing right here. headstock bushing for adding the spindle up there. Comes with that. It's got a graduated scale on the tailstock spindle. It's nice.